What the hell is he doing? Guard! Stop him! He's a murderer! You're a dead man! You're done for! Just give up! Heathen! You'll die for that! Damn his boss! You'll be dead soon! How did you do that? Leave, peasant, before I make you. How odd. Damn. Where is the heathen responsible for this? He's gonna hurt himself. God's eyes, he really have been pleased.
You're somewhere you shouldn't be. Leave before you get hurt.
He must not be of sound mind.
No, just a little money, I beg of you.
Selecting the hidden blade during fight will allow you to...
William of Montferrat division. Sole way to end our pain. It's him we should follow. It's him will lead us to victory. And what do we have to show for it? Graves and widows and orphan sons?
Who did this?